number system that I have made. It's a base 5 system, different from the Hindu-Arabic system that we usually use. That's like the 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has a different base, and it's also it's called a line system because it uses lines to represent each number. So like it has a circle and a line. So then that would be 1 because there's 1 line. And in the 4, there will be a circle and 4 lines. You could only put 0 through 4 numbers in each place value. If there was 5, you had to bump it up to the next place value. So there isn't a need for 5. That's why I only have 5 different symbols. So here it's
Right.
so since it is a different base, it's a base 5 system. Well, a base is the number that they use. A number system used to group and regroup at. So the Hindu-Arabic, we have 10. So we have 10 ones that 10 shows up, 10 ones for 110, and 10 tens for 100, and like 10 hundreds for 1,000. So it multiplies it's the place value to the left is 10 times greater than the right. So here what I mean is, like, this is a place value to the left. It is 10, see, this is tens, right? And this is ones. 10 is 10 times greater than ones, the place value to the left. Mine would be the same, but just different base. Mine would have ones or 5s, because we're multiplying by 5s this time. There's 1 times 5, so then this will be place value 5s, and this will be 25s, because here we have 5 times 5, which is 25. 125, because this is 5 times greater than 25 on the right-hand side of the right-hand side place value. So here's just like comparing them. That ones that stays the same. But now we have 10s and 5s, because this is 10 times greater than this. This is 5 times greater than ones. And 25s, and we have 100. This is 10 times greater than this. This is 5 times greater than this. And now 125 and 1,000. This again is 5 times greater than this. This is 10 times greater than this. Because that is base 10, this is base 5. Right? Mm-hmm. You have a question? Catherine? So the base is 5. Mine, right? And now again, the example here, well, the Hindu-Arabic, we have base 10. That's a base 10. And now the base number, which is 10, it's gonna every time the place value on the left side, which is like, this is the right side, and this is the left side, right? So every time the place value on the right side would, like, the place value on the left side would be 10 times, because of the base 10. 10 times greater than the place value on the right. Because this is the right side place value. What? There are tens, because 10 is 10 times greater than this. We multiply by tens. And then 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000. So then the next place value on the left side of 100 would be 1,000. Okay. Because 10,000 is 10 times greater than this. Yeah. So it's like that. So if the numbers will look different, like here it is a number 278 represented in 2103. So this represents the same as this, but in a base 5 system. But it still means the same. It's just these are changed. The place values are changed. Here's another example. We have in